Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Understanding Different LLM Architectures. The Family Tree of AI Brains. BERT, GPT, Llama. What exactly are LLMs? Imagine them as super smart digital brains that can understand and generate human language. From simple sentences to complex stories or code. Just like humans have different strengths. Some are great at reading, others at writing. LLMs have different architectures or internal designs that make them excel at specific tasks. As a developer, understanding these designs is your first step to picking the right AI tool for your next project. Before the transformer architecture came along, computers read text like you'd read a very long, complex recipe one word at a time, often forgetting the ingredients mentioned at the beginning by the time they got to the end. The transformer changed everything. It's like an advanced assembly line where different parts of a sentence or a recipe can be processed simultaneously, and each part can pay attention to any other part it deems important. This allows LLMs to understand complex relationships and context in language, making them incredibly powerful. Think of BERT as a brilliant detective who reads an entire document twice or more, once from left to right, and once from right to left, to fully grasp every nuance and context of every single word. BERT is an encoder-only model, meaning its main job is to understand existing text deeply. As a developer, you'd choose BERT for tasks like figuring out the sentiment of a customer review, classifying emails into categories, or enhancing search results because it excels at comprehending what's already written. GPT is like a gifted novelist who, given a starting sentence or prompt, can brilliantly predict and write the next word, then the next, and so on, to complete a coherent and creative story. It's a decoder-only model, meaning its strength lies in generating new text. If you're building a chatbot that needs to hold a conversation, an AI writing assistant, or a tool to generate marketing copy, GPT is your go-to. It focuses on taking what it has seen so far and extending it logically and creatively. Llama models are like highly optimized, community-driven versions of our master storyteller, GPT. While still decoder-only and focused on text generation, Llama models are designed to be incredibly efficient, often achieving similar performance to much larger models using fewer computational resources. This makes them more accessible for developers, especially those looking to fine-tune models on their own data or run powerful AI on less powerful hardware. Llama represents a significant step towards more customizable and open-source AI generation. As a developer, knowing which brain to use is key. Need to understand existing text? Think BERT, e.g., sentiment analysis, spam detection, extracting answers from documents. Need to generate new text or continue a conversation? Think GPT or Llama, e.g., chatbots, content creation, summarizing articles, looking for efficiency, customizability, or open source solutions for generation? Llama is a fantastic choice, building on the generative power of GPT but often more developer-friendly for specific applications. Your choice impacts your project's performance, resource usage, and overall capabilities. Understanding these core LLM architectures isn't just academic. It's a practical superpower for you as a developer. 1. Better tool selection. You'll know why you're choosing a specific model for a task, not just that you're choosing it. 2. Effective fine-tuning. If you need to customize an LLM with your own data, knowing its core design helps you understand its limitations and strengths. 3. Debugging and optimization. When things go wrong, or you need to make your AI application faster. Your architectural knowledge provides crucial insights. This knowledge empowers you to build more intelligent, efficient, and tailored AI solutions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.